Welcome to Court Helicopter Explainer, where we are dealing with the serious issues concerning families. We are seeing of late any young girl who rejects her boyfriend, those girls are killed. The offense of femicide has become so common. What went wrong? Young men, if you have been rejected, why do you go attempting to kill somebody? Two, we are seeing a serious trend where men are being offended because they have paid fare. They have educated this girl. Stories in social media say that one Elvis or Opiyo had taken in for over 5-7 years this girl called Claire. They were singing in the same choir, the SDA church choir. And he had paid school fees, educated her, gotten her status, gotten her job. Then Claire reached a point and said, enough is enough. Me, I'm moving on. I want to marry somebody I love. Is this evidence enough to defend Elvis that he was so annoyed for the amount of money that he has spent? Have you ever been annoyed by sending a woman fare and she doesn't come to say hello to you? Does the law allow you to take an acid, go and pour into this person? This explainer is simply tailored into the questions as a criminal lawyer I face in court every day. Murder in relationships, attempted murder in relationships, manslaughter in sexual relationships, the surge of assaults causing grievous bodily harm is so much. Society, the fiber that was holding society, has collapsed. Every parent is worried about their daughters. Will the boyfriends kill them? Every parent is worried about their sons. Will their girlfriends kill them? We bring to you what the law talks about under this issue of Elvis against Claire. Elvis is allegedly to have poured an acid over two ladies who were scalded, terribly scalded. The offense of scalding is normally within domestic relationships. Scalding, for example, in children, you'll get a house girl has taken a panga and scalded the back of a child because the child was crying and was not sleeping. You get a husband getting a hot rod and scalding the wife, or the wife getting mad, or the girlfriend getting mad, taking hot water, pouring into the fiancé, or oil being poured into another, or cooking fat that is boiled being poured into this. What does the law say? Here, it is very, very clear. Section 234. Any person who unlawfully does grievous harm to another is guilty of a felony and is liable to imprisonment for life. There is no fine. It is imprisonment for life. What are the ingredients of grievous harm? Section 233 provides for. Section 231 provides for acts intended to cause grievous harm or to prevent arrest. Any person who, with intent to maim, disfigure, the acid disfigures the beautiful lady. If you look the lady, she's a good lady. She sings beautifully. An elegant, beautiful girl. Elvis, if it's true it is him, he wanted to disfigure, to remove that beauty, or to disable any person, or to do some grievous harm to any person, or to resist or prevent the lawful arrest or detention of any person. A. Unlawfully wounds or does any grievous harm to any person by any means whatsoever. If you wound any person, that is grievous harm. Whether you wound by a kick, whether you wound by a rungu, whether you wound by anything. B. Unlawfully attempts in any manner to strike any person with any kind of projectile, or with a spear, sword, knife, or other dangerous or offensive weapon. 3. Unlawfully causes any explosive substance to explode. People nowadays have explosives. They can get that explosive and explode on another. D. Sends or delivers any explosive substance or other dangerous or noxious thing to any person. E. Causes any such substance or thing to be taken or received by any other person. If you send a corrosive thing by a letter, by mail, by a parcel, and it hurts that person, that is grievous harm. In this matter, for Elvis and Claire, the law is in 231E. Any person who causes, puts any corrosive fluid or any destructive or explosive substance in any place, or unlawfully casts or throws any such fluid or substance at or upon any person, or otherwise applies any such fluid or substance to the person of any person. F and G, that's what the law is. Any substance, any liquid that is corrosive, if you take it and pour it, throw it whichever way to another person, it maims that person, it wounds that person, it disfigures that person will be arrested, and if convicted, he will be jailed for life. But in case our ladies are in hospital, they stay in hospital for over 1 year and 1 day, and they die, what does the law say? If those who are injured die within 1 year and 1 day, Elvis will be charged with the offense of murder. If they die after 1 year and 1 day, Elvis will escape with the offense of grievous harm, because the grievous harm is life sentence. He will also be charged with the offense of attempted murder. There are two issues. There is grievous harm, is likely to be charged with the first offense of grievous harm. The second offense is going to be charged is the offense of attempted murder. But if the people die within 1 year, 1 day, he will be charged with murder. This advice our young people accept that once a woman has said no, just move on. Don't scald women. Don't hurt women. We are supposed to protect our women, not to kill them and not to disfigure them. Now you know that is the position of the law on from Court Helicopter Explainer. Thank you very much.